think I found a classic piece of creek. Let me show it to you. I'm thinking I'd like to swim down in here and just see what might be in the cracks or crevices. Probably the best place. See the round river rock? That really got trapped because the creek comes around a corner and then downstream. Gold is lazy, just like that river rock, which is heavy. When the river was high, it came in around that corner and fell behind the big rocks that are there and loaded it up. If you had lots of time, throw those out, get down to bedrock. Because it's a historic gold creek, there must be gold there. And then down here, if I'm able to see, I'm going to dive this and see what the bottom looks like. If the bedrock is clear and there's a crack down there, there should be gold as well. This isn't a straight path. The gold followed over to the drop behind this rock. Don't know about you, but I'm excited. Here's where somebody dug one time, a long time ago. So Amy, I think we found another old miner's cabin. This one is fallen in, and then there's another one. Let's go over to the main cabin. Shotgun shell? Mm-hmm. There's this old stove made with a 50-gallon drum. I don't know, maybe it's woodshed? And here is his cabin. You can see they used round nails, so it's not all that old. Little fixer-upper, Aim?
Yeah.
Anything lost in the cracks and crevices or hidey holes?
I don't like this.
Success! And then later, she's got to come back. She'll do it. She's a trooper. Alright, before I get wet, I see a crack I want to clean out. Almost a sandy clay. That will trap gold. Can I get the gold pan, Amy? Thank you. I'll pan that out and see what we got. You can actually see a lot of heavy rocks. That's the black ones. And there's a little piece of lead. I'm not really seeing any gold. Okay, see anything? But we do have the crack cleaned out, I think. Let's take a look in there. Let's see if there's anything hiding. I'm going to take something new for me. It's called the Reinhardt dredge. My only concern using it in the faster water is I might lose this. It doesn't really stick in all that well. give it a go. It's got a bigger nozzle. Well, that's a lot of work. But we got some. So I can pick up bigger flakes, and I can also push the dirt away a bit by squeezing and blowing on it. So let's see how this works. So the water's too shallow for me to see with the mask yet, but maybe you can. Let's see. See anything? So what I'm going to do on spec is I'm just going to suck all that up. I thought I saw a small piece of gold. And we can pan it out later. That one right there. I like the wrist strap so I don't lose it in the rapids, and I can let it go when I don't need it in my hand. So the method I've developed for working underwater with this tool, and it seems to be working pretty good, is I'm just blowing and sucking. I blow the silt away and then suck up what's below it. So if you look here, just blow it away and then suck what remains in the tube. And then when it gets to the bottom of the crack, I scrape it out with the pick. Let me show you. The idea being the gold is heavy and will stay behind even after I blow it away. It's working pretty good. You can see I've got gold in there and black sands. Pretty cool little process. Okay, Amy's cold. She's been a good trooper. I got half a container of concentrates. Let's get our butt out of here and get something to eat. What do you think?
Sounds good.
There she goes. While Amy entertains you with her newly acquired expertise with the drone, I will pan out the concentrates. It's warmer now we're out of the valley, and so she's no longer cold. And there we go. Almost enough to buy new props for the plane. Let's find a couple of the bigger pieces here. There's one right there. That's a picker. Listen. I like that sound. This little flake. Oh, there's another one right there. Well, thank you for watching. The adventure continues. See you soon.